Hey guys, welcome, and this is a Graytrack Towerfan. Today I'm showing you its unboxing and how this will work and its quality. So you see it comes in nice box and nice packing to make it safe. This is a tower fan with no blades so that it is safe for the kids as well, that accidentally they will not put in their fingers and stuff in the fan. There is no blade, so no risk. So this is a nice like plastic quality with the you know good sturdy design, and you can see that it comes with the remote and all the accessories. It's the manual to how to use, so I just showing in my VIP. So they have the manual button as well as remote control, so you can use it the way you want. This is the stand, so you need to fix it. So you have to first put 1 and 2 in place. So there are two pieces for the stand, so you have to first put this two stand in this, and then once you get into the stand, you just fix it in the bottom. So the stand is good that it can keep your fan still like active. There is a supplied brush to clean up the fans and the blades and the vents. It's pretty nice because this also have like very the same with the height or the same with the vent thing, that you can clean your fan easily. So with the remote control, just remove the protective battery case and then it start. So you can see it tells the temperature of the room is the 3 speeds, and this is the remote that you see all the functions with the timer, rotation like the oscillation. The fan is really nice that from the vent it will just take up the air and then give you, it's really cool and powerful airflow with the size of this fan. You can set the timer up to 15 hours so that it will automatically close. So here is the manual button and the manual things. You can see the display and the temperature, the speed, the rotation, oscillation and everything. And as I mentioned, it's a bladeless design, so no blade inside. So I'm showing you now the closely this fan so you can see what exactly you are getting in this pack. So these vents are good for sucking of the air. It's very helpful that you can put, so you can take up the air and then throw it. So I'm just showing you the manual button controls. So see the 3 speeds one I show, the timer, oscillation. So this is the whole remote control or the manual control buttons. Overall it's a nice, you can put it anywhere, it's portable.